How to block all ads on Android. So if you want to block all of your ads on Android without the use of any external application, you've come to the right video. So to block the ads for all the apps, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to other apps inside of your storage. You're going to go to each app and first of all, clear its cache memory. Now, clearing its cache memory is already going to take away its permissions that you've given it. Now, individually, you can go to each app that gives you unnecessary ads, like let's say Google. You're going to go over to notifications and you're going to switch it off. And once you switch notifications off and come over to permissions, you're also going to take storage off. Now, doing this will basically disallow Google to give you any type of notification that relates to your device. And just like this, go ahead and do this for all the apps that have ads on them, and you're good to go. So that is how you can block all ads on Android. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.